Hi, hello, good morning. Today we are going towards Kotagiri side from Coonoor. Now it's almost 9:50 in the morning and weather is again chilling. It's all good. And today's plan is to visit Lamb's Rock, Dolphin'sNose, Lady Cunning Seat in the morning. These are all viewpoints. Mostly in the weekend it will be crowded. Yeah, it is Sunday today. I don't know. It may be crowded because of the single road. Yeah. Also we can see Catherine Falls in the morning, and after that we'll go to Kotagiri and we'll check into our day 3 stay. That is a plan. I don't know, it may change. It is dynamic because of the places and the crowd. We may need to change as and when we go to the places. Welcome back to Plan Travel Explore. Today we are gonna show you some beautiful and close to nature places around Coonoor and Kotagiri. Yesterday while going in the toy train also we had the same. Today we are exploring it on road by going to these places, I think. So we reached a place, Lamb's Rock. We just parked our car. A parking fee is there, 50 rupees, and we are going towards the viewpoint. Not sure. We just had a guide to see the places. He says like there are 4 places within here. One is Lamb's Rock. Matteniದೆ?
Sleeping Ready Mountain, Suicide Point.
Okay, Sleeping Ready Mountain, Suicide Point. Matte?
3 state border.
3 state border, Tri Junction. Okay, he's gonna show all these 4 places. Let's see. It's around 5 minutes walk, it seems. Total it will take half an hour. So this is Suicide Point. No, they have shooted no entry and welcome movies here. Earlier there was entry till the end of the rock, but now it is closed with the fencing because the steep is around 6,000 feet. So steep, I can see it from here. So there is no entry. Let's move to the next place. So this is the shooting point viewpoint. So actually from here we can see the Tri Junction. So if you see this side, after that mountain, that side is Karnataka. This side it is Kerala, and this side, other side, it is Tamil Nadu. So this is the point where the 3 states border you can see. So this is actually the Lamb's Rock viewpoint. This is named as Lamb's Rock because this place was a viewpoint at the British time, and the person who made this viewpoint was Captain Charles Lambs. That is the reason it is named as Lamb's Rock. You can have the view of the valley.
You go down half, you come to the first cooling place.
Please do not litter the place. You have the dustbins placed everywhere. Please put all the waste in the dustbins. Wow, as the name Coonoor Point. As we are going down, we can feel that cooling. It's getting cooler as we go down in this thick forest. This is the last view called Sleeping Lady Mountain. If you can see, You can see a face of a lady there, and the entire body goes like that. I'm not sure how much you can see with this recording, but with the natural eyes, one can clearly make out the lady's face in that place. We reached Dolphin's Nose viewpoint, and opposite to us, you can see is the Catherine waterfalls. We just park here. Also, there is only roadside parking, and it is also payable, 50 rupees chargeable, and we have to find a place to park. Okay. Now we have parked our car, going towards the viewpoint. Come on. So now we reach the Dolphin's Nose viewpoint. This is the viewpoint, and opposite to us is Catherine waterfalls. In most of our travel logs, you can see the close to nature places, and we like to explore these kind of places because it is feast to our eyes and it is rejuvenating the mind. This is another view tower, watchtower. Earlier I showed the view from that spot where you can see a lot of people, right? That is the spot. This is one more watchtower on the top. Now we started our journey towards Kotagiri, where we can have the closer view of Catherine waterfalls. That mountain peak in the middle is Lamb's Rock. We are on the way to Catherine waterfalls. In these areas, our journey mostly in between the estates or the pine forest. So we reached near Catherine Falls. The thing is, we cannot get into the water. There is a viewpoint, and always if you are coming, just put the map to Catherine Falls viewpoint. Otherwise it will take you to the other end where there is no road. It is a private estate or something. They had closed the road. You have to park it somewhere, and you have to take your own risk to walk in the local routes or in middle of the estate to go till the falls, but it's at your own risk. What you can do, put a map to Catherine Falls viewpoint. There is parking space available. Come here. There is a viewpoint here, and you can see the waterfalls from very close. And in the morning I showed you the falls from very far. That is Dolphin's Nose. Yeah. Finally we reached the viewpoint. Okay, where is the falls? There is no falls. We can only hear the sound of waterfall.
No, here you can see a bit.
Yeah, it's actually flowing from there. If you see that closely, it's flowing from there. The falls start from that place. If you see there, it's not visible, but it is visible to my eyes. That it falls starts from there and it flows like this, and it goes down here. If you see down there, you can see a small stream of water. Let's see from the other place. There, that is Dolphin's Nose. From there I have shown you this Catherine waterfalls, and we are at the other end, almost near to the water stream. You can see over there. From there the waterfall starts, the water stream over there, and goes like this down, and it continues actually through this valley. Now we started our journey towards Kodanadu, which is in Kotagiri Taluk. We reached some unexplored falls, and we don't even know the name of the falls. We just got to know by asking the locals here. and seems to be good. And if you see the locality also good. I'll show you in a bit. And so this is near to Nedugula village. Okay, Nedugula village. I'll show you the route, and you can see the surroundings. It's very nice, and it is in some what do you call the tea estate. Actually, it's not the tea estate. After the tea estate, it is the forest department area. They had put some boats and all, and we are exploring this unnamed waterfalls. We got a small trail. There is today we have around 10 cars here, but this is unnamed. Nobody knows much about it. Whoever comes to stay nearby to Nedugula village, some homestay and all, they may tell the tourists that there is a waterfall nearby. Even they locals don't know the name. There is no name for this. Okay, this is just a waterfall. We're going in between this tea estate, and path is not so great, but one can manage. Even the ladies are there. Let's go.
Bangalore, okay. Goodness, how come you know this here?
I booked a stay nearby. They told that there is a waterfall. So, how is it?
You're from?
Bangalore.
Oh, great. You'll enjoy the lifetime.
Thanks.
Waterfall idda ಹೊಳೆ.
Everyone is searching where is the waterfall. I think this is the source. From here the waterfall will start, I think, by looking at the place. Yes, my guess is correct. There's a small stream coming from the mountains, and this goes like that and start a waterfall from that place, from that edge. Okay, let's go. We were very happy after reaching this place because it is not much crowded and it is beautiful. Thanks to everyone who is watching our channel and following our videos. Without your support it's not possible. So whoever has not subscribed already, please do subscribe and spread the word. Share it to your friends and family and encourage us. We reached a wonderful place called Kodanadu viewpoint. Oh, just now it was raining heavily. What do you call hailstorms? Oh my God! I was so feared, like my glasses will crack. It was. I felt like somebody is throwing tons of stones to my car. Oh my God! It was really, a scary experience for me. We were in Kodanadu viewpoint, so there was no other covering or anything in our surroundings. It was all open, and suddenly the hailstorms. Oh my God! It was really a different kind of experience I had in this tour. It was a sudden change. This was our last place for today, and we started our journey back in between this beautiful estate and views, and now we are going to our stay, which is booked in Nedugula village of Kotagiri Taluk. This was really a fantastic and memorable evening for us, and this lush green estate is called the Kodanadu estate, which is spread across more than 900 acres. Guys, not only hailstorm, now we got to see rainbow. the Nilgiris, apart from the tea estates, farming also can be seen vastly. The major crops are carrot, beetroot, potato, cabbage, etc. I hope you really enjoyed this video, and that's all for today. Thanks for your support to Plan Travel Explore. Please do like and share our video.